If you are new to our channel, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting the latest updates. Welcome. Friends, I hope you are in good health. Today, I am going to discuss with you A.K. Ramanujan's poem Obituary. Before we do the detailed analysis of the poem, let us first know what obituary is. Obituary is a notice of a death, especially in a newspaper. एक इंसान जब मर जाता है तो उसकी डेथ की रिपोर्ट जो है उसकी न्यूज़पेपर में आ जाती है. दैट्स कॉल्ड obituary. Now let us start with the text right away. Father, when he passed on, left dust on a table of papers, left dads and daughters, a bedwetting grandson, named by the toss of a coin after him. The speaker in this poem is just giving us the account of his father's death, the circumstances in which he died. किन हालात में उसका बाप जो है इस दुनिया से चल बसा. Father, when he passed on, left dust on a table of papers. उसने अपने पीछे कुछ नहीं छोड़ा, लेकिन कुछ चीज़ें छोड़ दी, जिनमें एक टेबल है डस्ट और न्यूज़पेपर से भरा हुआ. डेट्स एंड डॉटर्स, बहुत सारे कर्जे अपने पीछे छोड़ गया, और बेटियां जिनकी अभी शादी नहीं हुई थी. A bedwetting grandson named by the toss of a coin after him. He is talking about his grandson. वो भी उसने अपने पीछे छोड़ा, जिसकी एक बुरी आदत है to wet his bed. He talks about the grandson named after the father, who had the habit of urinating in bed. और उसका नाम भी कैसे उन्होंने रखा था वो भी एक इत्तेफाक था. It was the toss of the coin. So he was named after the toss of a coin. So his name in itself was an accident. It was a chance. तो सोच समझ के उसका नाम नहीं रखा गया था. It was merely a chance. A house that leaned slowly through our growing years on a bent coconut tree in the yard. और एक ऐसा मकान छोड़ के गया था जो किसके सहारे था, एक कोकोनट ट्री के सहारे, in the yard. So it indicates that their family was always dependent on other families for its survival. उन लोगों को दूसरे की सहारे की हमेशा ज़रूरत पड़ती थी. Being the burning type, he burned properly at the cremation. Being the burning type indicates his physicality was dried and parched. He was a bag of bones. It also refers to his temperament. He was very short-tempered person. हमेशा उसके मन में चिड़चिड़ापन रहता था और हमेशा गुस्से में रहता था ये बंदा. तो it indicates कि ये बंदा जो है लाइफ में भी जल रहा था, तो उस टाइम भी उसको, मरने के वक्त भी उसको जलने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई. सो क्रीमेशन स्टैंड्स हियर द रिचुअल ऑफ बर्निंग. जलाने की जो रस्म होती है, स्पेशली इन हिंदू पीपल. एज बिफोर, सो देयर वाज नो चेंज. he has burned in his life, now he is going to burn again. So there was no change. Easily and at both ends left his eye coins in the ashes that didn't look one bit different. Several spinal discs, rough, some burned to coal for sons. He burned at both the ends. अब उसकी राख में क्या उनको मिल गया? Eye coins. So the eyes have been compared with coins. They are as hard, as emotionless as coins. So there was no sign of expression in them. So it means the father had been indifferent to whatever was going in his life. In the ash, that didn't look a bit different, so there was no change in those eyes. Several spinal discs, rough, some burned to coal for suns. अब और क्या उस एश में, उस राख में और कौन कौन सी चीज़ थी? स्पाइनल डिस्क्स आप है, you know that the spinal cord, that vertebral column that's made up of 33 spinal discs. तो उनमें से स्पाइनल डिस्क्स है, या रफ सम बर्न्ड कोल भी उसमें था, कुछ ईंधन भी उसमें बचा था. Now this was the result of his hard work, whatever hard work he did throughout his life. Now this was for the sons. बेटों को अब क्या करना है? They have to pick it up gingerly. उसको आहिस्ता से उठाना है. Carefully. Gingerly stands for carefully. And throw, as the priest said, facing east where 3 rivers meet near the railway station. तो कहाँ पे दरिया में डालना है? एक ऐसी जगह पे जहाँ पे 3 दरिया आपस में मिल रहे हैं. Near the railway station. So in Hindi that place is called Triveni. No long-standing headstone. So there was no need of long-standing headstone. Headstone means tombstone. एक ऐसा पत्थर जो खड़ा रखा जाता है एक इंसान की कब्र पे सर के साइड में, तो उस पर लिखा जाता है his date of birth and his date of death, or whatever contribution he had made during his lifetime. So the poet wants to say that there was no need of that tombstone with his full name and the 2 dates. 2 dates, you know, are the date of birth and the date of death. To hold in their parenthesis everything he did, quite managed to do himself, like his Caesarean birth in a Brahmin ghetto and his death by heart failure in the fruit market. एक तो उसकी बर्थ हुई थी through Caesarean procedure. In a Caesarean क्या होता है? It was originally used to help the birth of babies whose mothers were dying. तो सिर्फ बच्चे को, माँ तो अगर मर जाती थी ड्यूरिंग चाइल्ड बर्थ, तो बच्चे को बचा लिया जाता था, और द डॉक्टर्स वुड टेक रिकोर्स टू सिसेरियन. सिसेरियन से इसको पहले जब उसकी बर्थ हुई थी. सेकंड, हिज डेथ बाय हार्ट अटैक, और वो डेथ कहाँ पे हुई होती है? इन द फ्रूट मार्केट. द पोएट वांट्स टू मेक अस अंडरस्टैंड दैट ही हैड नो कंट्रोल ऑन दीज 2 events, his birth and his death, or whatever had gone between these 2 events during his from his birth to death. So he wants to make us understand that everything he didn't quite manage to do himself. जिस पर उसका खुद का कंट्रोल नहीं था. उसकी ज़िंदगी में ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई है जिस पर उसका खुद का कंट्रोल नहीं था, और उसका बर्थ एंड डेथ, दीज आर जस्ट द एग्जाम्पल्स. But someone told me he got 2 lines inside column of a Madras newspaper, sold by the kilo, exactly 4 weeks later to street hawkers. लेकिन कोई एक बंदा मुझे मिल रहा है और वो मुझे कह रहा है कि आपके फादर की न्यूज़ आई है, और वो कहाँ पे? वो भी किस न्यूज़पेपर में? मद्रास न्यूज़पेपर में. और वो न्यूज़पेपर 1 किलो के हिसाब से मोहल्ले वाले उसको बेचते हैं स्ट्रीट हॉकर्स को, who sell it in turn to small groceries. और वो लोग खरीदते हैं मोहल्ले वालों से वो न्यूज़पेपर, वो बाद में उन न्यूज़पेपर्स को बेचते हैं ग्रोसरी स्टोर्स को, छोटे छोटे दुकानदारों को बेचते हैं. Where I buy salt, coriander and jaggery in newspaper cones that I usually read. अब यहाँ पोएट क्या करता है? वो ये सब चीज़ें salt, coriander, jaggery इन न्यूज़पेपर कोन्स में लाता है, और आइडिया, इंटेंशन उसका यही होता है कि दैट आई विल रीड दीज पीसेस ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर्स दैट आई यूजुअली रीड. किस लिए वो पढ़ता था? क्या उसके जहन में था, क्यों वो न्यूज़पेपर, वो पीसेस ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर क्यों वो पढ़ता था, उसके जहन में क्या था? He read it for fun and for enjoyment, for recreation, and lately in the hope of finding these obituary lines. और उसके जहन में एक अल्टीमेट एम था कि दैट मे बी आई वुड कम अक्रॉस दीज obituary lines. 2 लाइनें ऐसी कहीं पे किसी न्यूज़पेपर में आई है तो कहीं से मैं वो उनको देख लूँगा. And he left us a changed mother. So changed mother here indicates a mother who would always remain sad and dejected. बहुत परेशान रहती थी because his husband was no more. A changed mother and more than one annual ritual. The poet wants to say that he tells us that he used to celebrate different ceremonies, different annual rituals throughout his life. And this ritual, this death ritual has added to it. एक और रस्म ऐड हो गई उसकी, जो वो रिचुअल, जो वो रस्में पूरे साल निभाया करते थे, तो एक और रस्म उनमें अब ऐड हो गई. Now let us talk about the themes in the poem. The poem is a critique of the poet's father and his incapabilities. उस बंदे ने तो जिंदगी में कुछ किया ही नहीं था. It represents a typical Indian patriarchal family. Patriarchal family means where males have full dominion. They have full control on the families. The poet's father left behind memories in the form of debris and has not contributed in terms of creativity and productivity. The poet is also trying to debunk Indian rituals and ceremonies. The poet also brings our attention to the fact that human existence is nothing but absurd. This is the end of today's lesson. I will meet you with another video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel.